Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have a special showdown between two security cameras that are sure to keep your home safe and sound. On the left, we have the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K, and on the right, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. In terms of price, the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K comes in at $69, while the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition is a steal at just $35. The Wyze Cam V3 wins this round with its knockout price. Now let's talk about video quality. The LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K offers a stunning 4MP HD resolution with 2560x1440p, delivering crystal clear images day and night. On the other hand, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition records in 1080p HD with their all-new Starlight Sensor, ensuring perfect clarity even in the darkest corners. The Wyze Cam V3 takes this round with its impressive night vision capabilities. When it comes to seeing the bigger picture, the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K boasts a 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle, capturing the entire room without any blind spots. However, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition holds its ground with its wide field of view. It may not be a full 360 degrees, but it still covers a lot of ground. It's a draw in this category. Now let's dive into the features. The LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K offers advanced Starlight night vision, motion detection with tracking alerts, two-way audio, and even a 110 decibels alarm siren to scare away any unwanted visitors. Meanwhile, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition gives you instant motion and sound alerts, two-way audio, and built-in smoke and carbon monoxide alerts. Plus, it promises never to sell your personal information or hand over footage without a warrant. The Wyze Cam V3 steals the show once again with its extra layer of safety and privacy. Let's talk about ease of use. The LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K offers easy wireless installation using Wi-Fi connectivity and an E27 light bulb base. On the other hand, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition prides itself on being set up in under 30 seconds, thanks to the user-friendly Wyze app with step-by-step instructions. The Wyze Cam V3 wins this round with its lightning-fast setup. Last but not least, let's see which camera plays well with others. The LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice controls, allowing for seamless integration into your smart home setup. Similarly, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's a tie in this category. Based on online reviews, the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K is highly praised for its performance, features, and value for money. It offers excellent coverage with its 360 degrees 2K capability and full-color day and night vision. The motion detection feature is responsive, and the audible alarm serves as a deterrent to intruders. Reviewers also appreciate the easy installation and compatibility with Alexa. On the other hand, the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition is commended for its product quality, functionality, and impressive image quality day and night. Users are particularly impressed with its motion detection alerts, two-way audio, and affordability. Some reviewers mention occasional setup and connectivity issues, but overall find the cameras to be stable and reliable once connected. And there you have it. Both the LaView 4MP bulb security camera 2K and the Wyze Cam V3 limited edition have their unique strengths. If you're looking for high-resolution video quality and a panoramic view, the LaView might be your best bet. But if you're on a budget and value features like night vision, easy setup, and extra privacy, the Wyze Cam V3 is a fantastic option. Let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.